what we're looking at now is the screen you will get in the free version of Sketchup once you've logged in and you just click the Start Modeling button. It shows the view in which you can start building models, and it's very, very quick to do it. You can see the man there that just gives you an idea of the scale of whatever you're producing. He's quite a big, tall man, more than 6 feet tall, about 1 meter 90, something like that. And you can also see these axes. There's the blue axis, the green axis, and the red axis. Now, the blue one is the vertical, and the red and the green are both horizontal but at right angles to each other, and they give you an idea of the orientation of whatever you're building. And also there's defaults where it will automatically try and line up with one of the axes, and that is also very helpful. Basically, the process is selecting the tool that you want, moving to the screen, and then drawing using the mouse. Now, one thing I will stress is that there is not a lot of clicking and dragging the mouse. It's a click, move the mouse, and click again action. I've got a laptop in front of me, and I am using the built-in laptop mouse pad, and I do it with one finger. As we go on and get to more complicated processes, then clicking and dragging does come into it. But at first, get used to trying to do the whole thing with one finger. So you can almost think, tie one hand behind your back. There's a lot of school children I've taught like to hold the mouse button down with one finger of one hand and move the mouse with the other hand, and that causes all kinds of problems in SketchUp. So it's just with one finger. And first of all, I'm going to click this tool, which is rectangle. And I'm going to where the axes meet, and I'm just clicking, click. My hands are now away from the laptop. I'm now going to the mouse pointer tool, the mouse keypad, and dragging it. And now I've just let go. And I'm going to click again to end the drawing. So that is a basic rectangle, and it is on the floor, and it's level with the man's feet. You can see I've still got the rectangle tool active, and now I'm going to click this, which is probably the most powerful of all the tools, is push pull. And this is what suddenly makes it become 3D. So I'm holding it over, hovering over the rectangle I just drew, and I'm just one click. I'm not dragging, not holding the mouse button down. Now I'm moving the mouse pointer, and isn't that fantastic? And I'm clicking again when I've finished. Now you can draw another rectangle. Go and select the push pull, and I'm going to push it in a little bit. I'm going to do another rectangle. And push it in again. Click. Now I'm going to draw a line down the middle of what I'm already thinking of as the roof of this building that I've just constructed. Maybe you think I'm being a bit optimistic, but one very useful feature, can you see the dot is showing I'm on the edge, and it stopped when I got to the midpoint. And now, can you see as I'm moving, the line is green, and that shows it's parallel with the green axis, which is what I want it to be. I want it to be going along the same direction, which means parallel to, if I drag it off here, it becomes black, but if I go, it will snap to that, and it should show when I get to the other end, I'm at the midpoint there. Now, why on earth have I done that? You say, well, you can do little things. Select that and go up. But I don't want to do that actually. I'm going to click the undo tool here. Is that going to undo it? Yes, it does. And what I'm going to do is select this move tool. So we've just got 3 tools that we're using at the moment: rectangle, push, pull, and the move. Now I'm going to move the move tool, so I'm just using that, and now it's again click. You can see it's selected. I'm clicking to say that's the line I want to select, and now I'm moving it up. And can you see that it's parallel to the blue axis now? And I'm drawing a pitched roof. And one thing I'm going to do is proudly, I clicked on the word untitled, and I'm going to click it in Sketchup server North America, which is hopefully where it will be next time I log in and come to look. And I'm just going to call it Basic House. Basic House 1, and save. So saving seems to be a bit slow, but there it is, Basic House 1 saved. So there we are. I can build on that next time, but have fun and enjoy using the product, experimenting with the other tools, which I will come back to in a future video.